Alright, give me a second, everybody. So we need to talk about Fibonacci's. Give me a second. Alright. Yeah, sorry, I was stuck in traffic yesterday. Give me a second. Talking about Ethereum, right? And open and systems, not yet. AUD open. Give me a second, everybody. Hello, Alexander, how are you? Just 1 second. Alright, everybody, so as you can see, we changed the background, right? Change the background, and is this one? No, I believe not. Nice for Portuguese. Okay, everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So we're going to see this background until we go on vacation, right? So this is what I want for you, everybody. Don't let 2025 to be just another year, right? It's this time of the year, and now it's almost 2025. All right, we are 5 weeks. Everybody, we are 5 weeks away from 2025, so don't let 2025 to be, oh, it's just another year, right, everybody? Do something, all right? If you need knowledge, we got you covered. Forex course 101, Forex course 202, Fibonacci mastery, learn how to hedge, learn system trading, and so on and so on and so on. You know, if you need help with trading, join the FX Boss trading desk for weekly trading plans and daily trading signals, and also the crypto portfolio analysis. And in the end, if you need capital, we got you covered. Get funded or scale your account up to millions of dollars. And no, it's not a joke. You can check those two institutions with our 2 most reliable partners in the industry, which is Darwinex and Morris Cap. All right, Douglas, you're the boss. All right, everybody, so don't let 2025 to be just another year. Okay, anything you need, anything you want, you know, send me an email. All right, and today we have the original Fibonacci and the Contrarian Fibonacci in multiple time frames. Okay, so let's go in here, and everybody, this is AUD on the monthly chart. Okay, and you have the original Fibonacci and the Contrarian Fibonacci. How would you trade this market in terms of Fibonacci's? From the monthly, would you take a chance and short the original, which is down, or would you take a chance and buy the Contrarian, which is up? What would you do, everybody? And then we're going to check the others. Okay, so how to understand, everybody, how to understand Fibonacci alignments, all right? So you have here the multiple time frames, and you have the left up corner is going to be the monthly, left down corner is going to be the weekly, up right corner is going to be the daily, and right down corner is going to be the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. All right, okay, everybody. So how to trade the Fibonacci's? I'm going to give you just an example, right? So if you say I would buy the monthly, if you say I would sell the weekly, just an example, if you say I would sell the daily, alright? So what are you going to do in here? Yeah, it's that simple. Make sense? There is no right or wrong. You can buy the original one or sell the contrarian. There is no right or wrong. But your brain must understand, alright, so where is the greatest force? Make sense? Yeah, true, it depends also on what level, fair enough. Okay? So everybody, when the monthly Fibonacci is up, original one, but it's making lower lows, lower highs, right? Gosh, I want... Sam, are you here, Sam? Sam, are you here? Hedge fund trader Sam, are you here? Some of you still don't get this one. Hedge fund trader Sam, are you here? Everybody, if you have an up Fibonacci on the monthly, you know, but the market's making lower lows, lower highs, you know, where is the greatest probability? Type in the chat. Is the greatest probability for you to buy the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, or is the greatest probability to sell the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? So you have here that's the contrarian, right? And that might be the original on the daily. Everybody, let's make a poll. How are you going to trade the original Fibonacci and the monthly is up? And you have the contrarian too. Alright? The original on the weekly is up. But the contrarian is down. And the original on the daily is down. There is no... Now, talking about trading, there is no right or wrong. What do you think? Hedge fund Alexander, how would you trade the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, Fibonacci's? Hedge fund trader Douglas, how would you trade the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? You must understand what you're doing, everybody. Not every... This is conversation for the Forex course 202. No, not every setup is the same. Dr. Sam, are you here, Dr. Sam? Sam, it's a doctor. Okay. Alexander with short. Alexander, I'm the student, you're the teacher. Boss, why would you short the original Fibonacci and the monthly is up and the weekly is up? Why are we shorting? And the monthly it said has a conformity and the weekly has a conformity. Why are we shorting? Why are we shorting? You know? Anybody else? No, there is no right or wrong. You have the... everybody, one more it's coming. It's also you have the confirmation. You must understand how Fibonacci's work in multiple time frames. This is called your understanding. Oh, BS again. We're not lucky this year. Everybody. Are we still live? Ao vivo, okay, sound check. Douglas, what will you do? Hedge fund trader Douglas? Everybody, let's go to, I'm not sure if it's Euro AUD or it's Euro New Zealand, give me a second. Let's go to Euro AUD first. Give me a second. Give me a second, everybody. Was Euro AUD or was Euro NZD? Oh, it was Euro AUD, alright. So how this one, this is the confirmation. Out and give me a second. That's the Contrarian. Alright. Everybody, do you understand that from the vertical line, from the violet vertical line, you know, do you understand that in this rectangle, even though the Euro AUD, thank you very much. Do you understand that even though the original Fibonacci is up on Euro AUD monthly chart, you wouldn't make any money if you would buy until the market came down to this level? Can you see it? Everybody? You cannot just blindly go long on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart because the monthly, it's pointing up. Does this make sense? Boss, but you told me, look at the finger, you told me that the higher time frame controls small time frame. Yes, I told you, but look at the finger. I also told you that after the extension, a retracement must come. True or true? Fair enough? Fair enough? Make sense, everybody? You are pointing fingers at me and you are crying, oh, but you told me that the hard time frame controls the small time frame. True. True, guilty, true. But don't cry, because I also told you that after an extension, a retracement must come. Fair enough? So, if you want to write something down, Douglas, if you want to write something, if you want to write something down, you cannot blindly buy or sell the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart because the monthly Fibonacci is up. Make sense? Does this make sense, everybody? Yeah, Douglas loves cats, so. But, Forex Course 101, once the market retraced to the last levels of the monthly Fibonacci, provide you with double bottoms on candlestick formations and gave you a counter trend line break plus a crown, then the story changed. You must learn this stuff, everybody. This is a mindset. You must learn how to think. Does this make sense? So until the market provided you with double bottoms on the monthly, counter trend line break on the monthly, and yes, double bottoms, counter trend line, and crown on the monthly. If you would go on the weekly, everybody, so out, this is the confirmation. Do you see the weekly? That's the weekly. That's the weekly Fibonacci. You know, the weekly original one would be the strongest force. Make sense? Because after an extension on the monthly, what must come on the monthly? A retracement must come on the monthly. Did the retracement come on the monthly? And if you go from the weekly to check the, I'm not sure if this is the system, no it's not, alright. And if you go to check the daily, everybody, now I don't have it, but the daily back in time, the daily Fibonacci back in time was, the original one was down too. Green to green, AUD, Euro AUD daily chart, Euro AUD daily chart, and Euro AUD daily chart. Did one, no, so this was the gringo, so this was the last Euro AUD daily chart. Can you see it, everybody? So out this one, give me a second, out this one, and out this one. Can you see, everybody? Now this is the daily chart, and here is double bottoms from the monthly, right? And here is the counter trend line from the monthly, and here you have a crown from the monthly making a higher high. Can you see it, everybody? When this happens, when you are biased and you still, oh, but the original Fibonacci on the daily is down, and it is, and the original Fibonacci from the weekly is down, and it is, you're correct, you know, the original Fibonacci on the weekly is down, so you're biased to short the market when the monthly, okay, when the monthly provided you from double bottoms and counter trend line break and crown, all right? So when the monthly was at the specific area, okay, you can write this down. Fibonacci alignments, all right? Fibonacci alignments, or even better say, the probability, oh Douglas, the probability on the Fibonacci, the probability of the Fibonacci alignments work on or change, the probabilities on Fibonacci alignments change on specific areas on the Fibonacci. Well, let's write this down, you know. Shola and Ernesto, this is for you for next year. Building the new Forex course 101 manual. Give me a second, everybody. So the probabilities on Fibonacci alignments change. The probabilities on Fibonacci alignments change at specific levels on the Fibonacci's on the higher time frames. Give me a second, everybody. higher time frame. Yeah, I need to. Okay, so the probabilities on the Fibonacci alignments, typo in here. So the probabilities on the Fibonacci alignment change at specific levels on the Fibonacci's on the specific levels at the higher time frames. Okay, everybody? All right, I'm going to give me a second. Give me a second. The probabilities on the Fibonacci alignments change at specific levels on the Fibonacci, specific level on the Fibonacci's on the higher time frames, plural. Everybody take a screenshot of this, type in the chat done. Take a screenshot and type in the chat done. Take a screenshot of your photo, cell phone. Alexander, can you understand this? Douglas, do you understand this? Everybody else online, do you understand this? The probabilities on the Fibonacci alignments change at a specific level, pardon my English, on the Fibonacci's on the higher time frames. So at a specific level, let's be, there you go. At a specific level on the Fibonacci's, plural, on the higher time frames. Alexander says done, Douglas says yes. Okay, everybody? So let's go back to the AOD CAD. We have the multiple time frame example. Give me a second. I believe it was AOD CAD. So one more time, you cannot buy or sell the 1 hour, 2 hour chart just because what you see happening on the monthly, and or just because what you see happening on the weekly, and or just because what you see happening on the daily. So one more time, hedge fund trader Alexander, Alex, you know, how would you trade the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart based on what you see? Hedge fund trader Douglas, how would you trade the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Alex said short before. Are you still shorting? Do you change? Would you change? Sam, are you here, Sam? Gosh, Sam should be here. Sammy should be here. There is no right or wrong on direction. There is right or wrong on how you chart the Fibonacci's, what's the A, what's the B, what's the C, the extension, you know. Douglas, short, alright? Okay, everybody? Now, how many of you are complaining? No, because the market has found the conform C. How many of you are complaining right now? Oh, but the finger. You told me when the market finds the conform C, that there is an 80% chance of the market to move up, right? And again, yes, guilty. But I also told you, you know, you're just listening to the 50% of the story, right? Yeah, it's called timing. It's called timing, right? Everybody, does the monthly have a conformity? And does the weekly have a conformity? What do you say? Does the monthly have a conformity? So there is an 80% chance of the market to go up and never come back down to this level on the original one. Does the weekly have a conformity? So there is an 80% chance of the market go up and never come back down. Yes or no? Do the monthly and the weekly have the conformity? Type in the chat, yes, the C's are conformed, or type in the chat, no, they're not conformed. Douglas says no. Yes, they are. The sub the extension, it's below the A. Yes, they are, Douglas. That's the A. That's the A down in here. So the sub the extension, it's below. See the white? Hedge fund trader Alexander, do we have a conformity on the monthly chart and on the weekly chart? Sammy, are you here, Sammy? Dr. Sammy, are you here? Yes, we do, right? Boss, I don't understand. If you have an up Fibonacci sequence like this, and after the extension, a retracement must come. Alexander is saying yes, it's confirmed, all right. So the market is retracing, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right, everybody? And that's your C. The C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate extension. Now, you have a contrarian Fibonacci. You have a contrarian Fibonacci. Alright, do I have it? Yes. You have a contrarian Fibonacci like this. Okay, and you can see that the sub D is down in here, meaning this capital C is confirmed, right? And the Fibonacci rules are stating, this is a statement from the Fibonacci, that when you find the conformed C, there is an 80% chance when, look at the finger, when you buy the market, not me, when you buy the market, this market is going to go up and never come back down. Alright? Now, what you must learn is that we are down in here, okay, and Sam and Douglas says, oh, I'm still willing to short the market on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. But you are screaming, well, why are they shorting the market if we have a conformed C? And here is the answer. You know, if this is the price action making lower lows, lower highs, and yeah, you do have the conformed C, how do you know that, look at the finger, when you buy, that the market is going to go up and never come back down? Boss, I don't get it. All right, let's go one step back. Do we agree that if you buy the market right now, okay, so buyer number one. Do we agree that if you buy this market right now, and or if you would wait for lower lows, lower highs like this, and somebody else would buy here, this would be the buyer number two. This would be the buyer number two. And or somebody else is going to wait, and is going to wait for here, you know, and is going to buy in here. So buyer number two, all right? And we have the last one, which is buyer number three. If you can, if you can understand that those three entries are not the same, I've done my job as a coach, I'm going to pat myself on the back and I'm going to drink a beer or whatever, you know, champagne, you know, it's Christmas almost. Boss, I don't understand. Alright, let's go one step further back again. All of those three buyers are seeing the confirmed CEO, right? Okay, everybody? So you don't see the future. This is the market right now. Okay? You have the confirmed C. There is an 80% chance, Fibonacci theory, that at the confirmed C the market is going to go up when you buy and is never going to go back. You have three different traders looking at the same chart. Now, you are going to buy already, you're going to just, oh, it's a confirmed C, and you're going to enter the market. Another trader is going to say, wait. How do I know that this market is going to go up? Make sense, everybody? This trader says, oh, it is a confirmed C. This one is looking at the same chart and is questioning, well, I do have a confirmed C, but how do I know that the market is going to go up right now? And the keyword is right now. So, you, the retail trader, you don't have that much difficulty to spot the confirmed C, but you do have big issues when it comes to timing. Does this make sense? What has a retail to do this? If you would have a pit bull or a manager in an institution that would breathe at your neck like this, you wouldn't enter there. That's the difference between a retail trader, because you are trading by yourself, by the way. Make sense, everybody? So this one is going to enter, you know, oh, I have a confirmed C, there is an 80% chance. Not when you want. Make sense? So there is another trader, retail, and is questioning, well, I do have a confirmed C, how do I know that this market is going to go up? Answer. There is nothing on the chart. If you want to write this lesson, it's worth downloading and rewatching a few times. There is nothing on the chart that is telling you that the market now is going to start to go up. Agreed, everybody? But I do have a confirmed C, somebody's crying. Confirmed C, it's a level. Make sense? You must understand that you do have a confirmed C, but price action is exactly, it's down. It's making lower lows, lower highs. So the first trader who is buying blindly the confirmed C is speculating. You are speculating, you are trading from what you think is going to happen. Another retail trader is going to wait for the market to what? As we showed. is going to wait for, oh, the market's making 2 higher highs, 2 higher lows. Both of the traders are looking at the same level. They see the conformity. This one is going to speculate. I have a conformity. This one is going to wait. I want to see the change in the short-term trend. Does this make sense? Type in the chat, yes it does, or no, you are just talking nonsense. I mean, what do you know? Everybody, I didn't tell you yet, I'm going to retire in about 5 years. So take advantage of these courses and knowledge. Me and Douglas, we're approaching 50s, so... Yeah, Douglas, we need to retire, right? We need to retire, you know, we're approaching 50s, you know. We need to go on an island, you know, spend our days. Alex says, yes, boss. The third trader, which is even more careful. So the first one is speculating, don't do this, this is a bad habit. The second trader, it's better, you know. The third trader is going to say, whoa. Maybe those are 2 higher highs, higher lows, but this is a retracement on the downtrend. And you've learned this with me. And the third trader is going to say, whoa, the yellow one are 2 higher highs, higher lows, but the rectangle high is the relevant high on the downtrend. So I'm going to wait for a crown, and it's going to wait, and only when the market is going to left tip, center tip, right tip, then, only then, he is going to enter. So this would be the trader, the buyer number 3. So, hope Sam should watch this, I mean. So everybody, do you understand that conformity, if you just blindly enter, you're speculating. You have 3 traders looking at the same chart, same alignments, all of 3 are saying, oh, we do have the conformity. Trader number 1 is going to speculate, don't do this, bad habit. Trader number 2, it's a little bit more mindful, if you want, more aware, you know, has more knowledge, experience in the market. And he says, well, I need to see a change in the short-term trend. The third trader is the more probability-wise in a better position, because the market broke the relevant high. 3 traders, all of them looking at a conformity and 3 different entries. Trader number 1, 100 times 100 rates, he is going to lose the account. Okay? I challenge all of you online. I challenge you, prove me that this is not true. I challenge all of you online, oh, you know, no, not true, I am buying this, you know. No money, you are speculating, you are taking chances. Trader number 3 and trader number 2, they, step by step, they can make, then, with time and everything, you know, they can make consistent money. Douglas, yes, time to enjoy life. A little, what a little? You know, as Melissa said, you know, being a coach in an industry where it's 90% failure rate, I mean, they should pay us, you know. Not easy, you know. We have doctors, lawyers, movie stars, quantum physics pilots, architects, 90% are not making it as a trader. Mechanical engineer, designers, doctors, surgeons, 90% are not making it. Being a coach in an industry where it's 90% failure rate, you must be, you know, On an island, very sure. You know. Alright everybody, any questions in here? This is related to this logic on the original Fibonacci and the Contrarian Fibonacci on multiple time frames. Because the original Fibonacci on the monthly is up and it does have a confirmed C. The original Fibonacci on the weekly chart is up and it does have a confirmed C. The original Fibonacci on the daily is down, and Douglas and Alex said that they are willing to short the market. And some of you on the other streaming platform start to yell, oh, but you told us that the confirmed C, there is an 80% chance. Not when you decide. Make sense, everybody? Now, if you go on the daily, all right, so Douglas and Alex, they want to short the market. If you go on the daily, the rectangle leg, it's an extension leg or is a retracement leg on the daily? Type in the chat. This leg, arrow pointing down, is this an extension leg on the daily or is this a retracement leg on the daily? Type in the chat. What do you think? There is no right or wrong. I mean, there is, but this is how you learn, you know. Is this an extension leg? Boss, I don't know. That's on you, you know, how you understand the chart. Alex says it's an extension leg. So if I'm a day trader or an intraday trader, before the market, if nothing changes, so if this doesn't happen, with the premise that this doesn't happen yet, you know, and if you're a day trader or an intraday trader, what do you expect next? Do you expect this market just to fall blindly for 4,000 pips? Or after an extension, a retracement must come before of the next down potential leg? How does this market work? Type in the chat, the market is going to fall, or type in the chat, no, this is easy, that's easy. After an extension, a retracement must come. And we have 5 weeks until 2025, it's here. Do you see the market just falling down, or a retracement is going to come? So, is anything wrong if you say on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, well, Douglas and Alex are shorting, me, I'm buying the retracement on the daily. Is anything wrong? So even the monthly and the weekly, there is going to be a retracement. And you've learned all of this. When this guy comes to past resistance, is going to enter in the no trade zone. Here the bulls and bears are going to fight for control. If it goes down, it's going to is short. If it goes up and crowns on the relevant high on the weekly, this is a signal of the reversal and you buy. Douglas says, no, nothing wrong. Everybody, can you, I mean, you need to rewatch those lessons. Make sense, everybody? It's not that difficult. before we finish, this is the slide you're going to see until we go on vacation. December the 20th, 2025. We are 5 weeks away. Don't let 2025 to be just another year. Alright? If you need knowledge, we got you covered. Forex course 101, Forex course 202, Fibonacci mastery, learn how to hedge, learn system trading, and so on and so on. If you need help with trading, join the FX Boss trading desk for weekly trading plans and daily trading signals and crypto portfolio analysis. Is now the time to buy or sell Bitcoin and Ethereum and so on. And lastly, if you need capital, we got you covered. Get funded or scale your account up to $1 million. It's not a joke, you know. With our two most reliable partners in the industry, it's called DarwinX and Morris Capital Australia. Alright everybody? If you're interested in knowledge, trading or capital or the Black Friday, but I'm sick and tired of promoting Black Friday, you know, if you're interested in knowledge, trading or capital, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Right? And ask for questions. Alright everybody, our time is up. This is the boss. Oh, think about 2025 as a boss, right? You're the boss of your